Some chefs came into the kitchen with big egos and sexist attitudes, and they learned very quickly that being rude has consequences. Anton from season 12 is one of the clearest examples.
You guys can talk to each other. She's running up with the salmon. He's fucking 10 minutes away.
He entered the competition confident, but his arrogance showed when he overcooked the beef Wellingtons and blamed the oven.
I understand that, Chef. Don't think I'm gonna let some little girl get in my face, start ripping a new ass because you got issues on being a woman in the kitchen. I was just saying that this way I was shown.
Stop talking back.
You will not break me.
Sous Chef Andy questioned him, and he responded disrespectfully, saying he wouldn't let a little girl speak to him, ignoring her authority in the kitchen.
Got to keep it together.
I do have it together. I have a clear head on it.
But the Wellingtons are way out of control. You're not communicating. Your head's in the fucking sand, and at this moment now...
Gordon Ramsay reacted immediately. He shut Anton down and reminded him who was in charge. Anton's teammates also stepped in and told him he had crossed the line. In that moment, the kitchen showed him that talent alone would not protect him from consequences. Respect for leadership and teammates is part of the job. Anton learned that lesson the hard way. Season 16 gave viewers more than one example of this pattern.
Do you know why it's easy for you? Because you don't care.
Matt Hearn joined the red team and made it obvious from the start that he did not enjoy working with women. He complained about the estrogen in the kitchen and suggested that it affected performance. His comments sounded immature and unnecessary. A professional kitchen depends on cooperation. Dividing the team based on gender weakens the group.
Can you plate these? How many? Yeah, can you make sure nothing's on my station?
Everybody's worried about what they're doing. They're not trying to help me out. Kim's on the other side of the kitchen at apps. They already have 2 people over there.
During service, Matt overcooked a lobster tail and panicked. He tried to blame his teammates for not helping, but his earlier words had already created distance, leaving him alone to handle the mistake.
None of all of us will help you.
Let me say something, though. Let me say something. You guys always want to sit here and pan up with girls, okay? Let me tell you something. Listen to me for 1 second.
Oh, go ahead.
Okay, because
Come at me, because I helped you on
because
seafood.
listen, if you guys are on apps, why the hell are you not bouncing around helping me out?
Ramsay did not accept that excuse. He told Matt directly that the only person responsible for the mistake was him. That moment was important because it highlighted a pattern. Several of these chefs talked down to women and then pointed fingers when things went wrong. Matt's humiliation came from his own inability to take ownership. Johnny, also from season 16, displayed even more open hostility.
And then because I said that's not how we do it, she just let me go down? Fuck you, Shayna.
Early in the season, he lashed out at Jessica during a conversation and told her to stop talking to him for the rest of the season. His tone was aggressive and personal. Jessica became emotional, and instead of stepping back, Johnny continued. He later mocked another female contestant and admitted that he enjoyed making her cry.
And look at me, like, just stop talking to me for the rest of this fucking season. Thank you. Good.
Kim warned Johnny that his behavior would catch up with him, but he ignored her. During prep and service, he dismissed Shania's advice on properly searing fish and stuck to his own method. The fish went out undercooked. Ramsay questioned him, and the mistake affected the whole team.
All right, rat face.
I have a rat face?
Go chew on some cheese, rat.
Whatever.
In that moment, Johnny's refusal to listen to a female teammate directly caused failure on the line.
Shitty about yourself.
You think you're gonna be here longer than him?
You know what? I'm gonna at least...
No, it's a question.
I'm not...
Do you think you're gonna be here longer than him?
It's my mission.
Well, guess what? Mission unsuccessful.
Johnny's confidence did not match his performance. Season 2 introduced Tom, who openly made sexist remarks after losing a challenge.
I'm not being sexist, but women do laundry better than men. I'm spewing venom.
He claimed that women should handle laundry because they do it better. The comment was unnecessary and revealed how he viewed his teammates. Later, during service, Tom burned a duck in a pan and made multiple mistakes. Ramsay called him out for cooking in a burnt pan, which is a basic error. Tom's elimination followed quickly.
Tom, it's 2 turbos, yes? There's enough in there for 1, Tom.
We don't have any more mashed potato.
Oh, get out of here. You've run out of mashed potato.
What stands out about Tom is that even after being eliminated, he returned later in the season to assist the finalist and repeated the same mindset. He complained about taking direction from a woman. In a competition built around hierarchy and leadership, refusing to accept guidance because of gender shows insecurity.
Oh, you drama queen, you pussy, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, what's that about, dude?
When Tom injured himself in the kitchen and asked for help, the situation felt ironic. The same chef who dismissed women needed assistance from the team he once criticized. Louis from season 6 did not last long enough to build a long history.
What's wrong with it? It tastes like gunk.
Hundreds of people eat that in my diner every week. I don't think it was worth spitting out.
Yet he managed to show his attitude quickly. When the women lost a challenge and were assigned cleaning duties, he commented that women are best at cleaning.
Punishment to get those kitchens immaculate for the opening of Hell's Kitchen.
Women are the best at cleaning, so it's right up their alley.
The remark came across as outdated and dismissive. During his first service, Louis performed poorly. His station became messy, and Ramsay discovered serious issues with food quality and sanitation. Ramsay eliminated him on the spot. Louis' time in the competition ended almost as soon as it began. Season 4 featured Jason Underwood.
Winning Hell's Kitchen would totally change my life. I'm no longer just Jason. It's Jason who won Hell's Kitchen and has his pocket full of money and has to beat women off with a stick, for God's sake.
Who repeatedly insulted the women on his team. He stated that he would not lose to a team of girls and made jokes about women being suited only for certain tasks.
When ironing contest, we've embarrassed male chefs all over the world today. Well, it's on now. There's no way in hell I'm losing the girls again. That ain't happening.
He even mocked desserts as something women should handle because he disliked making them. His comments painted a clear picture of how he viewed his teammates.
Yes, chef. They did good, but we're gonna win because we're fucking men here. Come on. Hunting and butchering meat.
During one service, Jason struggled with soufflés and admitted he did not fully understand the process. He tried to fix them by adding sugar and other ingredients, which only made things worse. Ramsay reacted strongly, and Jason was eliminated soon after. Frank from season 15 stands out because his consequences extended beyond the show.
What have we got?
We got 3 beef, chef.
And that's the best you can do for her. Can you just get your shit together?
During a challenge, he reacted badly after losing to a woman and said she only won because he lost. He also undermined Manda by making his own beef dish even though she was assigned to it, then pushed for his version when Ramsay asked the team to choose. The judges chose another dish and his plan failed. As the season went on, his comments about working with women became more hostile. After his elimination, he made extreme remarks about female Marines, which led to public backlash.
Screw her over like that, please.
Don't screw her over.
Just
Frank, enough with the attitude.
Shortly after the episode aired, he faced consequences within the Marines and was removed from his position. He later issued a public apology. Frank's story shows how words spoken on a national platform can carry real-life consequences. Across these seasons, a pattern appears. Several male contestants entered the kitchen, believing that strength meant dominance over women, but competition exposed a different truth. Leadership in the professional kitchen requires listening, adapting, and respecting skills regardless of gender.